All right, it's July 21st. We're in Garden City, South Carolina. Looking out at a bridge that crosses the marsh, headed back out to 17 there. Causeway Grill and Raw Bar right there, and some fireworks. Decided to come in here and check this beach out today. It's not an incorporated town, so it's not a town. It's a designated census area. But I think most people believe it to be a town. The way it looks, it's got a nice little town center here, so I think I'm gonna go walk through it here so you can see what kind of shops they got here, and we'll walk out to that pier out there. A lot of people love to use that pier out there, and you'll get a chance to see what it looks like if you ever want to come stay here. So across over now, we're looking back toward the pier. Got everything $10 or less in this store. Some music we need to block out real quick. And got the Garden City grocery store here. You need to pick up some items from the grocery store. Golf carts everywhere here. You can ride golf carts down here. We've got a little deli right there for you. Cafe. Garden City Coffee Grounds. Look back, got slick track over there. See weeds growing up through it, so I don't think that's in operation anymore. Those front beach outlets. Over 2,000 designs. You can see some of what they do for you right there. It is if you like that kind of stuff. Got some fried twinkles in here. Fried pickles. Here at Yum Yum Shop. Crowded down here. Got your pirate spirits inside there. Yeah, GG's Grills, hamburgers, ice cream. Got the Pavilion Arcade there. Kids play in. Looks like some rode their bikes up today just to do just that. Yeah, don't forget about GG. She got an arrow pointing right to her. Draft beer, hot dogs, draft beer, cocktails, world famous hot dogs, hamburgers, fries. Hair wraps. It looks like they do all of it in there. Got an Eagle shop over there. Use t-shirts, things like that. Doing hair wraps over there on the sidewalk. A lot of people crossing here. Step back just for a minute, and we'll roll over to the pier and check that out. We're on the pier side now, looking up the pier sign. We'll go back across the street. You can see they got, it says coffee, diners, established 1976, down there on the end. And got Sam's Corner again. And of course they do breakfast, everything for it. Oop, had the camera too high for you. Sorry about that. So they do everything on that corner. There's a look out down the street where it turns back into rentals. Look back at the area we just came. And look back down the street this way. I just came from a Surfside beach down there and did a video on that if you want to watch that. The biggest thing I'm noticing between the two beaches is that Garden City's got a lot more trash on the ground. See that over there? This doesn't look as clean. I like Garden City though. I've been here before and I love going out on this pier. They have bands that play out there at night, and you can fish, and or you can sit around and watch the bands and dance, do the shag, whatnot. Got Painter's homemade ice cream and pizza over there. Come on, let's walk this way. Alright. Let's shoot on up in here. We'll do a quick walk out onto the pier. And there's a lot of people here today. I got to dodge. So just came through the doors of the pier. Goes right there to a little arcade and gift shop there. They got a little seating for a restaurant they have there. There's the back of the ice cream place we showed you from the front. There's the town out through there. People all up and down the beach here. A bunch of people down here in July. Look out back out the other side. We'll shoot on out to the end there. I'll show you where they have the bands, and then I think I might call it there. So this is the area right here where you come out at night. They have bands all up in here. You can sit and drink, have a good time. Got the little dance floor right here. It's really popular for people who visit here and locals as well. Great little pier. It's free to get out here. Most piers charge. Theirs is always free. Alright, let's walk back out to the town. I think I'm going to end it out there. So I'm back on the roadside now. I think I'm going to end it here. Garden City, South Carolina. Great little beach. A lot of people like to come to. Like I said, it's not a incorporated town, but it looks like one for sure. And got a lot of places to stay down here. A lot of things to do. As you can see, as we walk around, I got a great pier. And Merle's Inlet Marsh Wash is not too far from here. You can go out there and do that. I may go out there and do a video on that one day. But I got to get back right now. I got to go to North Myrtle Beach and meet up with my family again. We're going to go out and eat tonight, and they like to go early. So better get on the road before I get in trouble. If y'all enjoyed this tour, windy as it is, I'd appreciate it if you like, subscribe, and share. Y'all take care.